If a web page in Chrome on Windows 11 is showing old content, missing updates, or broken changes that you know should already be live, a hard refresh is usually the fastest fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hard refresh Chrome on Windows 11 using simple keyboard shortcuts and a more advanced developer method that completely ignores the local cache while you're testing a site. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tips. Let's get into it. The quickest way to hard refresh Chrome is with a keyboard shortcut. First, make sure you are on the web page you want to update. Then press Ctrl and F5 together. This tells Chrome to reload the page while bypassing some of the stored browser data, so it can pull a fresher version of the page from the server. If that doesn't do exactly what you need, try the second shortcut, Ctrl, Shift, and R. This is another common hard refresh command in Chrome, and it often forces the browser to reload the page more aggressively. These shortcuts are perfect when you just want a fast fix without opening any extra menus. They are especially useful if a site looks outdated after a recent change, or if buttons, images, or styles are not loading correctly. In many cases, one of these two shortcuts is enough to solve the problem immediately. Now, if you are a developer, testing website changes, or working on a page that keeps loading old files, there is an even better method using Chrome DevTools. This one is very useful because it can make Chrome ignore the cache while you keep the developer tools open. To start, press F12 on your keyboard to open the DevTools panel. If F12 does not work on your keyboard, you can also right-click on the page and choose Inspect. Once DevTools opens, look at the tabs across the top and click Network. This tab shows you how the page loads its files and requests. Inside the Network panel, look for the checkbox labeled Disable Cache and turn it on. This is the key step. As long as DevTools stays open and that option is checked, Chrome will avoid using the local cache the normal way. Now go back to the web page and refresh it using the standard refresh button, or just press F5. Because Disable Cache is enabled, Chrome will perform what is effectively a hard refresh every time while DevTools is open. This is incredibly helpful for web testing because it ensures you are seeing the newest version of your code instead of an old cached copy. Just remember one important detail. This behavior only stays active while the network panel is open in DevTools and the Disable Cache box remains checked. If you close DevTools, Chrome goes back to normal caching behavior. So if you are actively debugging a site, keep that panel open while you test changes. So to quickly recap, the easiest way to hard refresh Chrome on Windows 11 is to use Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. And if you need a stronger developer workflow, open DevTools with F12, go to Network, enable Disable Cache, and then refresh normally to force Chrome to load the latest content. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more Chrome and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.